What's up guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Granite 2 shoes from Louis Garneau. These shoes are made with a seamless polyurethane leather upper. It's got a ventilated X comfort zone that actually accommodates a variety of feet widths. It also helps to prevent numbness. The BOA IP1S 2A micro adjustment gives you easy replacement with a hook and loop strap. So you've got the hook and loop strap, you can tighten it up easily, but then when you want to loosen it, you just pull it out, and then it loosens it for you, which is great. And you can tighten it right back up by giving it a good twist. It's got some light padding here around the ankle, textile lining for airflow, padded insole with the Power Zone technology and increased arch support and power transfer. Has an HRS 90 heel retention with an Ergo Grip 2 nylon fiberglass that provides excellent traction for efficient mud cleaning. And you have SPD cleats to fit all major MTB pedals. Stay focused and keep going with these shoes on your feet from Louis Garneau.